the weather is warming up, and that means it's time to welcome some outdoor fun. Say goodbye to huddling around an outdoor heater and hello to outdoor fire pits, and of course, the best grills to smoke, char, and impress all your guests with. Whether you prefer burgers and hot dogs, chicken, pork, seafood, or vegetables, this highly versatile cooking method makes everything taste better, and it's always more fun to cook on the deck or patio. But with so many different types of best grills on the market, it can often be tricky to know which one will suit your outdoor feasts. First of all, do you want a gas, electric, or pellet grill? Also, what convenient features do you need? Nowadays, you can find grills that come with an induction cooktop, storage, color touch screen display, or even Wi-Fi connectivity. After hours of research and after taking experts' advice, we have listed the 9 best barbecue grills to help you choose the one that suits you perfectly. The links for the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, pickadvisor.com. Let's get right into our top picks. Number 9. Monument 4-burner grill. This grill is easy to assemble, easy to ignite, and easy to move around thanks to its 4 caster wheels. The spacious cooking surface means you can efficiently feed a crowd, and while burgers cooked further back on the grates had more defined grill marks than those towards the front, burgers, buns, and onions alike all came off with ease and great flavor. We appreciated this grill's quality construction, side burner, and responsive temperature controls, stating that nothing really distracted from the overall experience of this grill. This is a large format grill with solid performance at a great value. Number 8. Weber Q1200. If you want to grill away from home, the Weber Q1200 gas grill is the best portable grill. You can depend on it for the same great cooking results you get from all Weber grills. Rather than a big tank of LP gas, it uses 14 or 16 ounce propane cylinders, which last about a couple of hours. Most likely, you'll be taking it to a park or beach and using it for quick cooking items like steaks or chicken breast, but not for smoking a turkey or a shoulder of pork. So, a single cylinder should do per outing. It has side tables that are just as handy on the road as when you're grilling in the backyard, but they fold up for travel so the grill is easy to transport. Other conveniences include a lid thermometer and an easy to remove and clean drip pan. Number 7. Ninja Woodfire Grill. This portable electric grill has 7 different functions, offering grilling, roasting, smoking, frying, baking, dehydrating, and broiling. While it can't match the cooking area of a full-size smoker, this grill is perfect for small families and camping trips, offering fast, simple, and delicious smoked foods. The standout feature, however, is the smoker. The Woodfire uses a box of wood pellets to infuse your dishes with delicious smoky flavor. While the flavor is not the same as the smokers on bigger grills, it's still as good. It offers incredibly quick cooking. The handy smart display will tell you when it's time to flip your food, but we recommend keeping an eye on it anyway, as this grill is so efficient that it will cook faster than the given recipe times. Number 6. Char-Broil Patio Bistro Electric Grill. If you live in a community where gas and charcoal grills aren't allowed but have access to an outdoor electrical socket, the Char-Broil Bistro True Infrared Electric Grill is your best bet for results that come close to those from a charcoal or gas grill. The Bistro is small enough to easily fit on a terrace or patio, but has a grate that's big enough to hold about a dozen burgers. It has a rack to keep your food warm or heat the buns. On the bottom, there's a shelf to hold supplies, and in the lid, a thermometer. 2 wheels make it easy to roll the Char-Broil inside or into the garage if you don't want it to live on your limited outdoor area. The Bistro will produce minimal smoke to annoy the neighbors and has a grease pan that slides out to be easily cleaned in the kitchen. Number 5. Char Griller Akorn Kamado. If you like the sound of the Kamado Joe but can't quite justify the price, the Char Griller Akorn Kamado is a good low-cost alternative to consider. The design of this grill looks similar, but the body is made out of 22-gauge steel instead of ceramic, and the interior is finished with porcelain-coated steel. This has been done to keep the cost of the grill down, but you do have to give up some of the benefits of a true Kamado grill. You'll need to take care of it as the wheels will eventually rust. You get 314 square inches of primary cooking area plus a 133 square inch warming rack. The grill grates are made out of cast iron. If you want to get stuck into Kamado grilling without a huge budget, this is still a good option and will allow you to sear steaks or cook brisket for long overnight smokes. The removable pan collects all the ash and makes it easy to dump it all out when you're finished cooking. But for low and slow cooks, you'll need to keep a closer eye on this grill, especially when smoking in extreme weather. Number 4. Blackstone 36-inch Griddle Cooking Station. Instead of grates, the Blackstone 36-inch Griddle Cooking Station has the kind of large flat cooking surface you see in diners. That gives you room for 28 burgers at once and means your hot dogs and shrimp won't fall through the slats. Underneath are 4 burners that you can set to different temperatures, so you can keep garlic bread warm on low while simultaneously searing some steaks. Just keep in mind that you won't get grill marks and you won't be able to smoke ribs or brisket. On one side of the tables, there's a built-in cutting board that can be removed for cleaning. There's also a place to hang a roll of paper towels and hooks to hang a trash bag. On the bottom, there's even a shelf to give you some storage space. The Blackstone is easy to assemble, but remember that you will have to clean the griddle top and season it before you fire it up for the first time. Number 3. Napoleon Prestige 500. Napoleon is a major player at the top of the mid-market grilling space and through the ultra-premium categories. This particular grill is made in the middle of the pack in Napoleon terms, but it's the quintessential shiny stainless gas grill. Above all else, you're paying for build quality and cooking payload. Most of the grill is made of sturdy 304 stainless steel and the firebox is ultra-durable cast aluminum. There are 4 primary burners, each with a heat diffuser, as well as a rotisserie burner and an infrared side burner. And though Napoleon's trademark wavy grates can be frustrating to clean at times, the brand gets their materials right. The infrared burner is a step above those from Weber and other more budget-focused brands. Recorded with an IR gun, the burner was pushing 1100 degrees, that is, charcoal level heat, available in seconds. Number 2. Traeger Pro 575. We were blown away in testing by how powerful the Traeger Pro 575 pellet grill is when it comes to smoking, grilling, and cooking. It's definitely one for serious cooks, or for anyone who likes to impress their guests. Cook fish, meat, and veggies with this pellet grill. It's got a drum-shaped body that can fit larger cuts of meat too. It's an ideal buy for anyone with plenty of patio space and a love for outdoor cooking. Traeger Pro 575 pellet grill makes the process of smoking pretty much stress-free. A Wi-Fi operated smoker grill? You heard us right. You can receive alerts when your food reaches the ideal temperature and monitor your grill from the Traeger app when you're indoors. Simply fill the hopper with pellets, plug it in, switch it on at the back, select the temperature you want it to reach, press the ignite button, and you're sorted. It automatically adds more pellets when required, and if you're cooking a joint of meat, it makes sense to use the meat probe. If you want to go about your yard work or even just loll in a hammock while your ribs are smoking, you can connect the Traeger to an app which will let you know when it's time to baste, raise the temp to finish them off, or alert you that they're ready to serve. Considering its size, it's also quite simple to clean after use too. Number 1. Weber Genesis E325S. There are cheaper grills with most of the features and cheaper grills with comparable build quality and cheaper grills supported by healthy warranties and strong customer service. But there is no grill that matches the Weber's Genesis E325S's complete package. The Genesis E325S features nearly 800 square inch of prime cooking real estate, featuring Weber's largest heating zone for super high heat cooking. With its pure blue burners, flames are hot and even, and ignition is reliable and consistent. The grill features Weber's new grease management system that makes cleanup easier than ever, so you can spend more time grilling and hanging out and less time scrubbing and scouring. During our test, heating remained nice and even with the lid closed, while the middle stayed hottest with the lid open, creating useful cool zones for lower temperature cooking needs. The porcelain enamel cast iron gates in this Weber help minimize sticking while creating those coveted grill marks. Overall, this grill earned high marks for how intuitive and user-friendly it is, along with its expansive 994 square inch cooking surface. When it comes to spending quality time with family and friends outdoors, there is no better way than to enjoy a backyard barbecue, and having the right grill is essential. There are several types of grills to choose from, including gas, pellet, and charcoal grills. However, getting the best barbecue grills is quite challenging when you have plenty of models available on the market with a decent design and innovative features. All the products mentioned above are a perfect blend of versatility and innovation, providing the users the best-in-class experience. Choose wisely which product suits you the best and will fulfill all your requirements. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.